This is my 2004 Ski-Doo Renegade 800. It has an MBRP can on it. I'll go ahead and fire her up. She's been waiting for this day all summer. See how she sounds. A little smoky from that fogging oil, but not a bad start.